Welcome to the future of food. Kick off with the captivating visual of a futuristic kitchen filled with smart gadgets. Introduce the top 5 smart home gadgets for foodies in 225. Establish your credibility as a tech enthusiast and foodie, emphasizing your knowledge of the latest smart home trends. You must see, and like always, links to these gadgets will be in the description below. The Kerilyn deep fryer pot is a compact, high-performance cooking essential designed for home chefs who crave crispy, golden perfection without the bulk of a full-size deep fryer. Made from durable stainless steel, this pot features a built-in thermometer for precise temperature control, helping you achieve consistently delicious results whether you're frying chicken, tempura, donuts, or fries. TS cleverly designed lid doubles as an oil guard to minimize splatters, while the removable fry basket makes draining and serving easy. Compatible with all stove tops, including induction, the Kerilyn deep fryer pot brings professional-level frying to your kitchen with convenience, safety, and style. The Utopia home egg container smart storage for freshness and organization. Keep your eggs safe, fresh, and neatly organized with the Utopia home egg container. Designed with durability and convenience in mind, this sleek container holds up to 14 eggs, protecting them from breakage while maximizing space in your fridge. Made from high-quality, BPA-free plastic, it features a transparent lid for easy visibility, so you always know when it's time to restock. Whether you're meal prepping, baking, or just grabbing breakfast on the go, the Utopia home egg container keeps your eggs accessible and secure. Stackable and easy to clean, it's the perfect blend of functionality and modern kitchen organization. The EUHOMY Countertop Ice Maker. Chill fast, serve fresh. Upgrade your ice game with the EUHOMY Countertop Ice Maker, a compact yet powerful appliance that delivers bullet-shaped ice in just 8 minutes. Perfect for kitchens, home bars, RVs, or offices, this ice maker produces up to 26 pounds of ice per day, keeping your drinks cold and your gatherings cool. With a sleek stainless steel design, easy-to-use control panel, and a large viewing window, the EUHOMY Ice Maker blends style with convenience. It features a quiet cooling system, energy-efficient operation, and an automatic cleaning function for hassle-free maintenance. Whether you're hosting guests or just enjoying a refreshing drink, this ice maker ensures you never run out of ice when you need it most. The Ninja food processor is your all-in-one kitchen powerhouse, designed to chop, slice, shred, mix, and puree with effortless precision. Equipped with a powerful motor and multiple blade attachments, it takes the hard work out of meal prep, whether you're crafting smooth dips, chopping veggies, or kneading dough. With its intuitive one-touch controls, generous capacity, and easy-to-clean, dishwasher-safe parts, the Ninja food processor is built for speed and simplicity. From everyday dinners to gourmet creations, it delivers consistent results that save time and elevate your cooking. The COSORI food dehydrator for jerky. Healthy snacking made easy. Turn fresh ingredients into flavorful snacks with the COSORI food dehydrator for jerky. Engineered for even drying and long-lasting performance, this dehydrator features 6 stainless steel trays, a digital timer, and adjustable temperature control, giving you total control over the drying process. Perfect for making homemade jerky, dried fruits, herbs, and veggie chips. It runs quietly and efficiently, locking in nutrients and flavor without preservatives or additives. Its compact design, BPA-free materials, and easy-to-clean trays make it ideal for health-conscious snackers, meal preppers, and culinary creators alike.